That is a cute Labradoodle. Right, any questions for the dog?
Let me ask a question to my dog here. So what do you think about Mohammed telling people that dogs can be killed or should be killed?
Look at the eyes that he just gave you. Literally, that was the answer.
What do you think about that? What do you think about Mohammed killing dogs?
It's like those little animal bits where they tell them they're adopted and they're like that. Doggies are the way forward.
I'm really happy here because I don't have any angels coming to my house. And
exactly, they're so inconvenient.
He's not very good at keeping people out of the house, but he keeps angels out, and I just love it.
Dogs are so loyal and cute, and the opposite of Mohammed. I'd rather have a dog, but I don't have to make the choice. But,
yeah. Stay away from Islam.